Alright guys, happy Saturday. So I think I'm almost done with my photoshoot set. I know it took forever and still some finishing touches will be made to the floor, to the walls and so forth. This Magic Kingdom set is in my studio, in my own house. Yes, I did that to my house, but I love it. So if nothing else, it's a great decoration. All those flowers that I was working on, look at that. The golden, the door, the flowers up top, the big red flowers, some injection of simple pink flowers, some ornaments on the wall, and I actually incorporated some dry benches that I picked up yesterday after that crazy wind on the street. I thought it worked out for me because I wanted to buy the benches from Michael's, but you can just go and pick them up and be happy about it. Those are the doors to the Magic Kingdom. And this is the magic handle on the door. Should have a keyhole, but maybe it's coming later. So, and today I put hanging flowers and some curtains. Obviously I will wrap it up in fabric and make it all pretty. But look at that, it's my own Magic Kingdom. How exciting is that? I love it, look at that. I can take so many pictures. It's in so many directions here, in close-ups and full body. Pretty cool.